Right, in this video, we're going to show you how to do some basic animation. I have my world set up, so I have my world with elephant. And elephant, oops, I open the code, is just a tuck-nosed elephant. So if I set image, you'll notice that there's actually two elephants in this file. There's elephant and elephant 2. But in order to use it, it must be in this left side here. So I'm going to double click elephant 2. It's going to set this image to elephant 2, the second elephant. However, if I go to set image, you notice how elephant and elephant 2 are now on my left side. Good. So now that we have that, we can start the animation. To animate something, we need to make sure that we can count the number of times act has been called. So in order to do that, we do integer count equals to 0, semicolon. That's very important to have a semicolon there, because without a semicolon, the line doesn't end. We're going to have it move forward a little bit every single time. So let's move forward by 2 this time. I'm going to move forward by 2, and as we move forward, we're going to get it to change its image. So we go if count equals to 0. I'm going to scroll down here. Set image to elephant, the first elephant, .png or full stop png. Do not forget a semicolon. And then, oops, underneath that, I'm going to go if count equals to 1, open bracket, close bracket. I'm going to set image to the second elephant, elephant2.png. Now that we have our images set, we just need to have the count change. So every single time you call act, count is going to equal to count plus 1. It's going to go up by 1. Not only that, we need to make sure count stays between 0 and 1. So I'm going to count equals to count mod 2. This is a special function. Mod 2 just means it takes the number, divides by 2, and takes the remainder. So this forces the numbers to be always 0 and 1. So once I have that, I'll save. I'll close it. Right click elephant, put in, and hit run. And you notice that the elephant is just changing really fast. And I don't want that. I want to slow the elephant down. So I'm going to go back to my editor. And this time, instead of having 0 and 1, let's have 0 and 5. And instead of counting from 0 to 1, I'm going to count from 0 to 10. So now instead of dividing by 2, I'm dividing by 10. Which means I'm going to divide by 10 and take the remainder. So we're going to count from 0 to 9. The trick here is to take this number here. If you want to count from 0 to 9, then you go take 9 plus 1 and you mod this percent sign 10. Right click the elephant, put in, and run it. And does it much slower. Actually, I think it does it much better. This pace seems right. A little bit faster than I wanted to, but it's fine.